All right, I am going to make a video for my friends because of my eyelashes. So I've gotten a lot of people who saying, tell me more about your eyelashes. What mascara are you using? And I'm not using any mascara. I'm using what's called Falscara by Kiss. It's cheaper. If you've heard of Lashify, all these ads started popping up in my, on my internet, and I was like, they're $150 or something, and I can't afford that. But these little things were worth, I think they were like $7. I bought a starter kit and then one of these, and everything was like under 20 bucks. I can put the link in the description below. But if you get a starter kit, what you'll get is you get a wand with seal and bond, which I'll tell you about, one of these things that I don't really use. And then you get some different wisps, not as much as this. And you can either sleep in them, I've done that before, or you can change them every day, which is what I do. So I reuse the ones that I'm wearing on this eye. Really quickly to remove, because that's a huge question. All you need is micellar water. So I have these reusable eye pads, so I just soak them, I put them in my eye, and I wipe them off, and they come right off my lashes really good. So I use that, and then I clean them in just some rubbing alcohol. So what I do is I just take the top off, I put some alcohol in the cap, and then this is what I use that tool for. I just spin them around and I get off like all the sticky gunk off of them, and then I set them aside and I use them the next day. So I've been using these for the ones that are on my eyes right now. I think I've had over a week now. So I'll probably maybe try new ones. So these are the longest ones that they have. They come in small, medium, and long, but I'm going to show you how to apply them because it's really easy. And I don't do them like the videos that I've watched or the directions, but this seems to work for me. So you have a tube. One says seal, one says bond. You need the bond side. In fact, I do not use, I don't use the seal side anymore because it was like making like white stuff or something. So this is just like glue. You just put it on your eyelashes. And it's a little sticky. It's not horrible. Like when you blink, it's not gonna you'll feel it. It doesn't take long. So I might just go like this for a little bit. And then all I do, and I hope this can turn out in a video, I don't know, because now I'm looking in a camera, but you take the edge of this, and let me see if I can do it this way, sorry. And you just touch them and they're gonna stick. So they go like under your lashes almost. Oops. Probably since I'm doing a video, this won't be as good, but I mean, it's not hard. There definitely is a learning curve, especially if you're I'm not very good at makeup and stuff. So you can see that other one's kind of falling down at the moment, but you just have to touch them and they kind of pop back into place. And then I'll show you what I do. I just squeeze them at the end. So again, here's number 3. So these are 3 long ones that I'm using. And then I have a small one because they give you a row of smalls. And then I put the small one on the one that's closest to my inner eye by my nose. So let's see if I can do that on this side. And that's it. So that's all you have to do. And then I just press them down so they kind of connect. Sorry, my dog's barking. And that's it. And then I'm done. I've run in them so I can put in a picture. I've done 5 miles with them, all sweaty and gross. I have taken a shower in them. I've washed my face. I mean, I think I was mindful, but they did stay on. I slept in them and they stayed on. But again, for me, I'm someone who likes to rub my eyes and stuff. So the easiest thing to do is just to wash them with your rubbing alcohol, and then you can reuse them. So, I mean, again, I've had these for, I don't know, a while now. That was a dog hair stuck in there. But, so I've had these for over a week. Try them, see if you like them. They're not that expensive, so it's not a huge commitment. You don't have to subscribe. I did see them at Target, but they were cheapest on Amazon. So if you're interested, that's what they look like. Have a great day.